In this video, we will show you easy modern PowerPoint slide tutorial. Click on right button, go to format background, click on picture or texture fill, go to file. I have downloaded image from Google. Select it and insert it. Go to insert and choose a word style from word gallery. And here we write the nature. Select and go to Home tab. Change the font. Increase size. Change the color using eyedropper. Go to Insert tab. Shapes. Select rectangle. Drag it. Click on Shape Fill. Select color. Shape outline. Make it no outline. Place it outside the slide. Duplicate. Select color from Shape Fill. Duplicate. Place here. Go to Insert. Select text box. Let me write some description here. Increase size. Duplicate the slide. Select this shape. Go to Format. Align center from Align. Select this shape. Align center from Align. Select text box. Place here. Now let me select these two slides. Go to Transition and click on Morph. And watch the slideshow and see. So friends, if you like the video, then like it and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for such informative videos. Thank you.